Running a business is exciting until the accounting kicks in. Bookkeeping, payroll, VAT returns, it's a lot. And guess what? Most UK businesses struggle with it. Missed deadlines, cash flow headaches, and let's not even talk about HMRC penalties. Sounds familiar? You're not alone. But why does this keep happening? Business owners are too busy to keep up with numbers. Traditional accountants, they charge by the hour and take forever to respond. No real financial strategy, just scrambling to get it done before deadlines. Here's the fix: more than accountants. Fixed monthly fees, no surprise bills. Unlimited expert advice. Ask us anything, anytime. 3-hour response time guarantee, because waiting days for answers, not acceptable. With More Than Accountants, you focus on growth. We handle the numbers. Want stress-free accounting? Get a free quote today.